Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about object snap. So what does it mean? I will give you one example here. So for example, I want to connect these two lines. So for that I will just give a command of L line. I will hit enter and I will start from here. So you can see here it is not giving me point. Anywhere I will just give a point here and I will connect. I want to connect this to this one, okay? Now for example, when I will zoom in, you can see these lines are not just connected just because of AutoCAD is not just giving me the point here, okay? When I will just enter a command of line, now I am just moving this cursor around this line, but it is not giving me just this point. So this is what object snap is. For example, there are different kind of options in object snap. So let's see what are these options. I will enter a command of OS for object snap. So OS, then I will hit enter. Now you can see here in this window there are different kind of options: endpoint, midpoint, and then center, and different kind of options here: tangent, nearest point. Okay, so let me just on this one, endpoint, and then I will click OK. Now I will just activate line command, and when I will just go here, it is giving me point. Now I can draw a line here according to object snap endpoint. Okay, now this line is okay. As you can see, this line is okay. So I will just delete this one. Now again I want to just check the midpoint of this one. Okay, again I will hit L and then enter. Now if I will just move my cursor around this one, it is not giving me midpoint as well. So again I will go in object snap option and I will just click this one, midpoint, and then I will press OK. Now again I will hit L for line. Okay, now it is giving me midpoint as well. You can see this is midpoint. So that is what object snap really is. Okay, now there are different kind of snapping option for you: center, midpoint, and endpoint, here tangent. Okay, so you have to activate all of this. So I will select all and then I will press OK. For example, I want to draw here circle and I want center here. So I will press L and then enter. Now you can see here it is giving me center as well. Okay, so this is what object snap means. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.